who's a very famous Kannada actor, Mr. K. Gurumurthy Reddy, who's a corporator, HSR Layout.
আৰু লগতে আমাৰ মাজত আছে পবিত্ৰ জয়প্ৰকাশ JP member তেওঁকো আমি মঞ্চলৈ আহিবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনালো
We also have Mr. Pavitra Jayaprakash, JP member. We would request you to please come on stage.
এবাৰ হাততালি বজাই দিলে ভাল লাগিব
We also have the members of the Assam Society of Bangalore who would now felicitate our respectable guests.
আৰু প্ৰথমতে
who's a very famous Kannada actor, Mr. K. Gurumurthy Reddy, who's a corporator, HSR Layout.
আৰু লগতে আমাৰ মাজত আছে পবিত্ৰ জয়প্ৰকাশ JP member তেওঁকো আমি মঞ্চলৈ আহিবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনালো
We also have Mr. Pavitra Jayaprakash, JP member. We would request you to please come on stage.
এবাৰ হাততালি বজাই দিলে ভাল লাগিব
We also have the members of the Assam Society of Bangalore who would now felicitate our respectable guests.
আৰু প্ৰথমতে এতিয়া ধীৰাজ তালুকদাৰক ময়ূৰ পেটেলক এখন ফুলাম গামোচাৰে আদৰণি জনাবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনালো এক্টৰ ময়ূৰ পেটেল
Mr. Mayur Patel, famous Kannada actor, being felicitated by Dhiraj Talukdar.
কুণাল গোস্বামীক এখন ফুলাম গামোচাৰে কে গুৰুমূৰ্তি ৰেড্ডি ছাৰক আদৰণি জনাবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনালো কৰ্পোৰেটৰ HSR লেআউট আৰু ধ্ৰুৱ তোমাকো মঞ্চলৈ যাবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনাইছো
Mr. K. Gurumurthy Reddy, corporator, HSR Layout.
কুণাল দাই এখন ফুলাম গামোচাৰে তেওঁক আদৰণি জনালে আৰু এতিয়া আমাৰ স্পৰ্টছ ছেক্ৰেটাৰী ধ্ৰুৱজ্যোতি দাস আমাৰ মাজত আছে ধ্ৰুৱক এখন ফুলাম গামোচাৰে পবিত্ৰ জয়প্ৰকাশক আদৰণি জনাবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনালো JP member পবিত্ৰ জয়প্ৰকাশক এখন ফুলাম গামোচাৰে আদৰণি জনাইছো
Pavitra Jayaprakash, JP member, being felicitated by Dhruva.
পবিত্ৰক এখন ফুলাম গামোচা দিবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনালো ধ্ৰুৱ সংঘমিত্ৰাই Thank you so much everyone. Thank you. আৰু Mr. Satish Reddy sarok দুই আখৰ ক'বলৈ
We would request Mr. Satish Reddy to share a few words with us, please.
Good evening, everybody. Assam Society, my friend. April 14th as a new year in Assam. After coming from so far, you people are celebrating in Bangalore also as a Assam New Year celebration. I wish you everybody today evening. I think this time in Assam, Narendra Modi ji as a Prime Minister, he made a very good development in Assam. This time in Assam, BJP will come back. I think I wish you everybody. Last 2-3 years back, some problem has been in Assam. At that time, our Home Minister was Ashok ji here. He helped everybody to go from Bangalore to Assam in a train as a free. And he helped everybody and he went there also. We are with you. BJP is with you for every time, for everybody, every minute, as a friend, as a brother, for you. We are all are one. We are Indians. We will be together forever. Thank you. Thanks for everybody.
Very well said by Mr. Satish Reddy. Now I request Mr. Mayur Reddy to say a few words, please. Mayur Patel.
No problem.
I'm sorry.
Really happy to be a part of this dais with such beautiful people around here. Especially I have to say thanks to Rajdeep because today my dad was honored here, Mr. Madan Patel, but behalf of him have come here because one of his closest friend's daughter's wedding, so he's busy there. So I have to just tell everybody Happy New Year. It's a wonderful feeling being with you guys here. Once I was here, I saw some two beautiful girls dancing here. They were really traditionally, I think, Assam way of dancing they were doing. It was nice. I would love to stay here and see some more things, but unfortunately, everybody have to rush because tomorrow is, we are all busy because of it is May 1st and we have a lot of functions to attend. So anyways, it's once again I have to really thank for everybody here to make me a part of this particular New Year, Assam New Year. So thank you so much, and once again, Happy New Year to everybody.
It was an honor for us, Mr. Mayur Patel, to have you amongst us today.
এতিয়া আমি দেৰি নকৰোঁ আমাৰ বিহুটো এওঁলোকক দেখুৱাবলৈ পালে ভাল লাগিব Thank you everyone for joining us. We will request you to wait for another 5 minutes to see our cultural dance Bihu. It's really beautiful. You will enjoy for sure. So please wait for at least 5 minutes. আমাৰ বিহু দলটোক আমাৰ মঞ্চলৈ আহিবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনালোঁ পলম নকৰি এবাৰ চিঞৰি দিলে চাগে আহি যাব আমাক বিহু লাগে
দেখো গাঁৱে এখনি বছে নাই ঐ কান্ধতে ঢোল ৰাতি মুখতে পেপাতি মুখতে পেপাতি
Sabot no paye golo, Picasso dangor mai sabot no paye golo, Picasso dangor mai sabot no paye golo, Picasso, oh hi hi, oh ye ke joni sore ama khoro jile ki hot no bhale beya, Baso dangor mai ki hot no bhale beya, Baso dangor mai ki hot no bhale beya, ki hot no bhale beya, Baso rangoli modaro e pane oi bahona rangoli modaro roi par ebar bahagot jua